Jorma Jennings of CoSo Cloud, welcome. It's good to see you.
Thank you.
What's the intersection between customer experience and securing the cloud through programs like FedRAMP?
One of the real big challenges that we find is ensuring that the customer experience isn't lost with security. And that's always a hard part, right? How much can you tighten things down and not lose the overall experience or the desired functionality that the customer sees? So part of what we really strive to deliver with our services and managed services is ensuring that the experience is the same as you would with a commercial product off the shelf, but with all the security that comes with FedRAMP certification.
That seems to be kind of the conundrum for security for the last however long we've needed cybersecurity, is you can lock a system down really, really well, but nobody can do anything. Absolutely. And finding that balance, it sounds like, is where what you're going for.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really a challenge where if you make it too hard to access or to leverage on a day-to-day basis, you find that people just don't use it. And then if no one uses it, then it's not a product that's viable in the marketplace for groups to take advantage of.
What's the evolution of that look like over time? Because I think thinking about customer experience in a cybersecurity perspective, or at least applying that term to it, is relatively new, isn't it?
It is, right? We've definitely gotten to the point where it's not just about the security, it is about making sure that it's usable. And so it's something that we really kind of have to work hand in hand with our customer to ensure that we understand their goals and their agenda for the platform that they're using. And that way it can be accessible to their audience in the way that they need it to be. And that we kind of mold the security to accommodate that while still providing the solution they need.
Is that something that the customers that you deal with are thinking about also? Are they thinking about the user experience at the other end of what they need to do to secure their systems?
Absolutely. Primarily what we host is going to be virtual training platforms. So the end user experience really is paramount, because if you can't successfully train an individual, then what's the point of having the platform? Mm-hmm. So really end user experience is a very large part of what we do with our solutions.
What are some of the challenges that agencies and government have run up against in trying to do that, either in knowing what their users want and need, or in delivering that to them after they learn that?
Yeah, I think some of the biggest challenges we've run across is just ensuring that there's proper network access, allowing the ability for the traffic of synchronous real-time training to take place. So that way they have the advantage of virtual online communication, collaboration, saving the benefit of cost of travel and things like that, but doing it in a way that it really does not just frustrate everyone, and it all works in the end.
What do you see over the horizon for this? What do you see getting easier, getting harder, getting more secure, less secure, threat landscape changing, any of that?
Definitely more secure as time goes on. Part of the benefit of technology is it's constantly evolving. So we find new ways to truly secure platforms, new encryption technology, but there's also new technology that comes around as far as delivering that information. So as the code languages and the internet change and whatnot, we have to evolve with that and make sure that that's part of what we're kind of planning for and forecasting and being ready to deliver in a successful way.
It's great to see you, Jorma. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much.